Hello everyone, I'm academician Dr. Lilia. Welcome to Science and Me YouTube channel. The mission of my channel is to introduce you to popular science and to create a popular science encyclopedia on YouTube. We are back with an interesting popular science video. I would be very happy if you support me by subscribing to my channel and writing a comment. If you are ready, let's start the video. Stem cell research is a rapidly growing field of biomedical science that studies the properties of stem cells and their potential applications in medicine. Stem cells are undifferentiated cells that have the ability to self-renew and differentiate into specialized cells. This makes them a valuable tool for studying development, regeneration, and disease. Stem cell research is a field of scientific inquiry that focuses on the study and manipulation of stem cells to better understand their biology and potential applications in medicine and regenerative therapy. Stem cells are unique because they have the ability to develop into various specialized cell types in the body, making them a valuable resource for research and medical purposes. Embryonic stem cells, ESCs. These stem cells are derived from embryos and have the potential to develop into any cell type in the human body. They are pluripotent, meaning they can differentiate into a wide range of cell types. ESCs are often used in early-stage research but are associated with ethical concerns due to their origin. Embryonic stem cells, ESCs, are derived from the inner cell mass of a developing embryo. ESCs are pluripotent, meaning that they can differentiate into any type of cell in the body. Adult stem cells are found in various tissues throughout the body, including bone marrow, muscle, and skin. Adult stem cells are multipotent, meaning that they can differentiate into a limited number of cell types. Induced pluripotent stem cells, iPSCs, are adult stem cells that have been reprogrammed to become pluripotent. iPSCs offer several advantages over ESCs, including the ability to be derived from a patient's own cells, which reduces the risk of immune rejection. Adult stem cells, also known as somatic or tissue-specific stem cells. These stem cells are found in various tissues throughout the body and have a more limited differentiation potential compared to ESCs. They play essential roles in tissue repair and maintenance. Induced pluripotent stem cells, iPSCs. iPSCs are adult cells, e.g., skin or blood cells, that have been reprogrammed in the laboratory to become pluripotent, similar to ESCs. This breakthrough technology allows researchers to generate patient-specific stem cells for studying diseases and potentially developing personalized therapies. Stem cell research has several important applications. Regenerative medicine. Stem cells hold promise for treating a wide range of diseases and injuries. Researchers are exploring their potential to replace damaged or diseased tissues and organs, such as heart muscle, nerve cells, and cartilage. Stem cells can be used to repair damaged tissues and organs. For example, stem cells have been used to treat patients with heart disease, stroke, and spinal cord injuries. Stem cells could be used to repair damaged tissues and organs, such as the heart, liver, and kidneys. Cancer treatment. Stem cells can be used to develop new therapies for cancer. For example, CAR T-cell therapy, which uses genetically engineered T-cells to attack cancer cells, is a type of stem cell therapy that has shown promising results in clinical trials. Genetic disorders. Stem cell research could lead to new treatments for genetic disorders such as sickle cell anemia and cystic fibrosis. Aging. Stem cell research could help to develop therapies that slow down or reverse the aging process. While stem cell research is still in its early stages, it has the potential to revolutionize medicine. Stem cells could be used to treat a wide range of diseases and conditions that are currently incurable. Scientists are making rapid progress in stem cell research. Some of the most recent advances include creating stem cell-derived models of human diseases. Stem cells can be used to create models of human diseases in the lab. This allows researchers to study the disease process and develop new treatments. Personalized medicine. Stem cells could be used to develop personalized treatments for patients. For example, stem cells could be extracted from a patient's own cells and then differentiated into the specific cells needed to repair a damaged tissue or organ. Gene editing. Gene editing techniques such as CRISPR-Cas9 could be used to modify stem cells to make them more effective in treating diseases. These advances are paving the way for new and innovative stem cell therapies that could have a major impact on human health. Challenges of stem cell research. While stem cell research has the potential to offer many benefits, there are also some challenges that need to be addressed, including safety. Stem cell therapies are still in their early stages of development, and there is some risk of safety problems. Ethics. There are some ethical concerns surrounding stem cell research, such as the use of embryonic stem cells. Cost. Stem cell therapies are expensive to develop and produce. Despite these challenges, stem cell research is a rapidly growing field with the potential to revolutionize medicine. Drug development and testing. Stem cells can be used to create disease models in the lab, allowing researchers to study diseases at the cellular level. This enables the development of new drugs and the testing of potential treatments. Understanding developmental biology. Stem cell research provides insights into the fundamental processes of development and tissue regeneration, shedding light on how cells differentiate and become specialized. Disease modeling. Stem cells can be used to model genetic diseases, allowing researchers to study disease mechanisms and test potential therapies in a controlled environment. Cell-based therapies. Stem cell-based therapies are being developed for conditions like Parkinson's disease, spinal cord injuries, diabetes, and more. These therapies aim to replace damaged or dysfunctional cells with healthy, functional ones. Stem cell research has generated significant interest and controversy, particularly regarding the use of embryonic stem cells due to ethical and moral concerns. However, advancements in the field, such as the development of iPSCs and improved understanding of adult stem cells, have mitigated some of these ethical issues and expanded the potential applications of stem cells in medicine. Regulatory agencies and scientific organizations closely oversee stem cell research to ensure that it adheres to ethical standards and safety regulations. As the field continues to evolve, it holds great promise for revolutionizing medicine and improving our understanding of human biology.